So guys, all of those walkie waving inflatable tube guys are there. So they gotta match it here on top. And if they win the most match, got $5 for mommy.
The loser gets $2.
Losers got $2 and a chores.
Harder chores.
Let's begin the walkie wearing tube guy match challenge. All right, come on.
We're trying to figure out a plan.
All right.
Are any of these correct?
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Oh, Sissy got one.
What?
Woo! Sissy got one. Sissy got this one. It's here. Okay. Ah! You're cheating! Oh, Kuya got one. Here we go. Oh, Kuya got it here. Whee! All right, come on, guys.
Okay, you know what? See, if I win, I'll split the money with you.
No, 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 no.
Tube guy match challenge. Basically, we match the air dancers into the spot they're in under the blanket, and the one that we can guess right, yeah.
Whoever wins gets a chocolate.
Yeah.
A dairy chocolate.
Whatever wins gets
Money?
$5. $5.
Partner together.
$5 for the winner. $2 for the loser.
Awesome.
Take over it, walkies, because you know they might sneak in it, and you know.
What's the point of putting the blanket?
Yes.
All I see is.
So guys, all of those walkie waving inflatable tube guys are there. So they gotta match it here on top. And if they win the most match, got $5 for mommy.
The loser gets $2.
Losers got $2 and a chores.
Harder chores.
No, it's okay chores. You know the chores. Ready?
Yes, subscribers, do not lose this challenge.
Yeah. So if you like challenge like this, guys, remember we have that bottle challenge that they match it. So we got that idea from there. So they gotta match the tube guys that we already collected. Actually, the Santa, the snowman, and the elf tube guys not
Yeah,
here.
they had to guess who's the real color.
Because there's no more space. We gotta put it right here. So this is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 15. More than that. Ladies and gentlemen.
I already forget.
Young and old. We presenting you another fun challenge game between Kuya, and Zizi. Okay, this is just for fun, Aziawa. Oh, see, this is for fun, so no crying, huh?
Before we start the game, I want you to like and subscribe, or else.
You're going to get chicken tonight.
Roast chicken?
No, by chicken we mean this.
Chicken with chicken wing? Chicken pepperoni? Alright, so match walkie waving.
Mom, can we get a hint?
No, you can't.
Oh, come on.
No hint. There's no hint in battle challenge. So let's begin the walkie wearing tube guy So you try to plan, okay? You turn it on, huh? Why don't you turn everything on? There you go. Wow. Nice. Chubby is already sleeping. I want to sleep forever, Chubby said. There you go. Mr. Musics. And Chugal. Ube.
Mom, these two aren't working.
This is Plankton. And this one is Funny. Because it's not on here. And this is the sombrero, guys. Cactus. And the green Funny. And another cactus. Go back there. And then the angry. And then another Funny, Wacky. And then there's a eyeglass. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so fun. Oh, wow. Wacky waving. Job guy. Fun. Match. Challenge.
Oh, I feel like you did.
Ready?
Oh, wait. Oh, wait, we weren't supposed to start yet.
Yeah, start now.
Oh.
Just match it. And I'm going to say wrong.
Okay, so we need to mix them up and maybe...
Just put it over there. Put it like that.
Are any of these correct?
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Oh! Sissy got one!
What?
Woo! Sissy got one!
And I got 2.
You got one, see? Oh! This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no. Okay.
Correct.
Sissy got this one. It's here. Okay. You're cheating! Alright. Go back there, Sissy. And Kuya didn't get any. Okay, match it again.
Did I quit?
No, not quitting. 1, 2, 1. Oh, Sissy, another one. Woo! Oh, Sissy, another one. Right here. Oh my goodness.
Jump again. Am I going to make one Jerry Spocked it?
Yes. Sissy, you're gonna be so far away. Oh my goodness. Oh, Kuya got one. Here we go. So 3, 1. Make it fast. Whee. No.
There are 2 spots.
Yo, there's 1, 2 spots right here. 1, 2 spot right here. 1 spot right here. Oh, Kuya got it here. Whee! See, come over here. Come on. You can exchange it. 2, 3, 2, 3. Oh, Sissy got it. Woo!
This and this.
Still far away.
Still, Mom.
Still so far away.
Mom.
Oh, you're getting your Kuya. I thought there was supposed to be no clue.
I'm getting near.
Yeah,
Mom.
So, like, which direction? This way or that way?
this way direction. There you go, Kuya got it here. Oh my goodness.
So, this
That might not be there. It might be here. Ah, brother.
turned on the lights.
All right, come on, guys.
Okay, you know what? See, if I win, I'll split the money with you.
Oh, you gotta split it, Kuya?
Yeah.
Why you're not moving this one? You might be waiting someday.
I don't
Ooh. Naa. 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 Oh, Kuya! How many are you, Kuya?
I have no idea.
It's 3-3. Whee! Go back there. Go back there. 3-3, guys. Come on. Naa. Yes! Woo! 4-3. Come on, Sissy.
Okay, so you matched the 3 left.
Go right there, Sissy. Match over right there. What are you doing? You're cheating. Get out of there. Get out of there. Match it. Oh my goodness. There's 3 more. Oh, this one. Did you do that? Did you do this? Who put it there?
Kuya.
No, it was he.
Oh my goodness. 4-4. Woo! So how many more? There are more. This one and this spot. So
Okay, see.
what? Are you teaming up?
Yeah.
Where you gonna
Like
put
the
that?
big guy said, we'll split the money.
Where you gonna put that? Sissy,
Right there.
where are you going? There. Okay, there's another one.
It's right. This one is right there.
Oh, you get what is this?
This one.
That one is going right there.
Come on,
Right
dude.
here? Okay, you put it right here. You think that's it?
Yeah,
You
because
think that's all the spot?
Yeah.
What? Let's see, guys. Cactus with sombrero. Come over here. Come over here. Is it right? Cactus with sombrero. Chubby, sleeping chubby. What is this? Wacky orange. Is that correct? Okay, sombrero kid. Cactus. Is that correct?
Green goofy boy.
Wacky Gooby green. Correct? Oh, why is it there? It should be here. Funny red.
Miss whatever her
Miss Ube. Wacky waving tube guy, correct?
Mr. Angry.
Mr. Angry, correct?
Mr. Macy.
Mr. Messex, correct?
Cactus.
Mrs. Cactus, correct? And
And Cyclops.
Cyclops Plankton. Yes! You are correct! You won! Wow! How much you gonna get? You gotta share $5? So you get $2.50 each?
No, so.
Oh wow! So no
Let's
one's
see.
right?
Can I grab my phone to see what I can split with $7?
Not $7. If you both win, that means you're gonna split in $5.
We won $5, Z!
Yeah.
You split it. It's $2.50, right? So guys, have you had fun?
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh! Ouch. Yeah! Don't kill me! Oh my goodness, these boys! All right. No, 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 no! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at that!
Guys, you chicken.
Anyway, back onto the news. Today is National Air Dancer Day.
Is that a new thing? A National Air Dancers Day?
I really wish it.
So- Do you have fun, guys?
Guys,
No!
guys, could
You were the one who chickeny with it. And remember, this is what we mean by chickeny.
They gonna tickle you.
That's all for today, Marquis. See you next time. Bye. Have a air dancer match challenge day. Bye-bye. Or else, don't forget to like and subscribe, or else Kuya's gonna eat you.
Yeah, it's already
I
eating.
do not like McDonald's.
Kuya, volume please. Yes. You're done? You're turning them off? That's a battery, see? On the side. Alright guys, hopefully you have a good day. Oh, don't pull it like that. There you go. Everybody's sleeping, they're tired. All the Wakitubi.
Yeah, we literally were on a road trip and we
All the Wakitube guys are sleeping.
Bye.
Bye bye. What? Just like that, guys. Wow. See you next time, Swakis. Hope you have a wacky waving tube guy match game.